Thanks for joining us. My name is Mick Schweitzer. I'm from Abrasive Blasting Services and Supplies. Today we've come here to show you the operation of the Eoncoat Permanent 1:1 cartridge application gun. Here in my hand is the Eoncoat application gun. To operate the gun, it's pneumatically operated through a pressure regulator and adjustment at the back of the applicator. The Eoncoat cartridges here come in a 600mm dual tube. It's a 1:1 ratio, water-based product, and is loaded up in the cartridge of the gun at the front. To operate the gun, we have a pintle lever at the back, which extends the pusher ram to apply pressure to the Eoncoat cartridges. Further at the back, we have a pressure adjustment for the gun. At the bottom here, we have a lever ball valve and a clear hose. The clear hose is attached to the static mixing tube of the cartridge where the atomizer is. By opening up the lever ball valve, we change the air adjustment to the spray tip until we achieve great atomization. The boys will fire up the gun soon and test out the application of the equipment. Thanks for coming along.